Hi, welcome. In this video, we will learn about the basic four functions in Excel that we very frequently will be using. These are sum, average, mean, and max. We learned about the basic of Excel function in the previous video. In this video, we will try to implement those. So as you remember that any function will start with equal sign, then we will write that function name. Here we are taking sum. You can use tab from your laptop or desktop to start this parenthesis. Then select this cell and by using shift and up arrow move it to this cell. Then close the parenthesis and then equal. Now as the formula we created, now we can copy this by using Ctrl C and paste it till the last cell. So it gives me total sum of all these numbers. There is another way also to use these functions. As you remember, we will click on this. So it gives me different kind of options. So here we require average, then we will click on average. Now it says number 1, so we will select this number 1. Then number 2, we will select that. Then number 3. So as it become very lengthy, so we will use a shortcut key like here, this, and then we will scroll it up by using shift key. After selecting all those cells for which we wanted the result, we will click on OK. Now this formula has completed. Now we will copy this and paste it till the last one. So it gives average. In the same way, we will use mean function. Here it also gives the basic description of the formula. Like mean, it returns the smallest number in a set of values, ignores logical values and text. So now after using this formula, we will head to here. So it is 73 and we can see the smallest value among all these values are 73 itself. Here 138. I am not able to see any value which is less than that. In the last, we will use max function. This is the max. Then we will select all cells and then close it. So it will give us the maximum value from all data sets. That was all for this basic Excel functions.